Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can use the Wise digital card in store. What you need to do at first is head over to the card section of Wise, and then for you it should say get your card now. You're going to click on that, and once you get your card and the details, whether it is Google that you use, like let's say you have an Android, so you want to head over to your Play Store or Google Pay, and then head over to payment and then payment method, and then you want to click on add credit or debit card, and whatever was your card details for Wise, you want to add that. From there, what you can do is directly use this information for paying in store, like use Google Pay or Apple Pay or Samsung Pay, PayPal, whatever you have. Wise is supported. As you can see, if we head over to their Google website, they say that it is available in Apple Pay, Google Pay, or another digital wallet. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.